Everyone knows that the guitar player in my band is the best at chuggity chug chug chugging. All right, Lars. Okay, hello there. We're going to learn a bit of palm muting today. Hey! Okay, guys. Right, palm muting. You might have heard those metal songs that just sound so heavy and you just don't know why, okay? And you're trying to play it and you think, how do you get that chug, chug, chug sound? I'm going to show you. So, it's a technique called palm muting. It's the difference between this and this. Okay, so what I'm doing here with my palm, pretty much this part of my hand here, so kind of the side of your palm there, I'm going to put my hand near this bridge here. This is the bridge of the guitar. They all look a bit different. I'm going to go as close to the bridge as I can without actually being on top of the bridge, okay? And I'm going to lay my hand lightly over the strings there and play the guitar, play the string. And there we go. Palm muting. If you have it too far up here, look, not quite right. So find the sweet spot. There we go. Palm muting. James Hetfield, Metallica. Just listen to any song by Metallica and he is the king of chug, as my buddy Lars told you. Keep going, guys.